Hello, welcome again. Today I'll solve this problem. The problem is p dot first digit. Okay, let's read the problem now. Given your number x, print even if the first digit of x is even, otherwise print word. Okay, then that means we have to find out the first digit of the number, and then we have to check it, is it word or even. If it is even number, then we have to print even. If it is word number, then we have to print word. Okay, and the number will be more than 999. That means a number will be in four digit. I mean, started at least it will be 1000, right? Okay, and number won't be more than 9999. That means we are sure that we can say that number will be in four digit, and this is a clue to solve it. Okay, okay, let's solve the problem now. Once again, I'm doing it by C programming. You can do it by C plus plus by other. You can do it by also Python. Which one you like? Okay. Let's take input. Oh no, I'm sorry. Yeah, I take input, and then you have to then now time to get the first number, and we have two tasks. First we have to find the first number, and then we will check it. So how we will find out the first number? If you focus on it, you will find out that the number will be in four digit. And for and if number will be in four digit, then we can divide it by thousand, then we'll get the first number. If you divide it by 1000, then we'll get 4. If you divide it by 1000, you'll get the 3. Then that means if you divide it by 1000, then you'll get the first number. Okay, first number. Divided 1000, and this is the first number, and first number will be added in first. Okay, and then our next task is it even or word. Okay, if I first mod 2 is 0, then print. I'm sorry, once again. Okay, let's check with their problem now. Output should be even. Yeah, good. And for this output should be what? As of now, we can say my code is right, but is it all? I mean, is it right or wrong? I can say surely, because we have to check with their problem. Okay, now problem name is P first digit. Okay, let's check with their problem. Oh, we are running with on test. Yes. Okay. See you with a new problem. Bye bye.